Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today, and we are still not breaking above this little bit of resistance up here. So basically, the weight is still there, and I still see that we are moving to the sideways at the moment. Now, if we try to navigate what's going on, we have 2 more days to really close July, and then from here. We start off August, and it does look like August may be a good month. Judging by the way that July is about to close. Now on the weekly time frame, I think Bitcoin is doing an incredible job as well, trying to just break that resistance here, the 70,000, and then break above and start to push to 100k, hopefully as well. And then if I try to check the monthly, then you do have the monthly that is also printing in a bull flag right here. So you're looking at a bull flag right over there. So boom, boom, break above here, and you could actually push to the upside. Now let's actually see where this takes us. Quite interesting, isn't it? So this actually takes Bitcoin to $190,000. So yeah, you can actually see 190,000 coming in for Bitcoin if we see Bitcoin breaking above that little bit of a flag here and then pushes up. So yeah, the future may actually look amazing. I think that the monthly time frame for Pepe is also about to close really nicely. You have a dragonfly at the moment on the monthly, so that actually just shows that yes, things may be good. Now on the weekly time frame, although you have made a bad closing, you still lower time frame, you still made a little bit of a bad closing, but it at any given point, let's just hope you get above 13,932, and then if you come up here, I think nothing is stopping Pepe to reach 17,000. All you just really have to do now is come up here at 13,932 and hold above that price, and then you're going to move to the upside. Otherwise, you still have the thread, you still have head and shoulders that actually shows you may come down to that price target, which is 7047, perhaps like 6900 almost. And that's all for the video. I'm going to the next one. Allah Hafiz.